Welcome back.
Yippee!
We're playing more Silent Hill. You may notice,
How's it go poo-poo?
we got a little ahead.
Ish.
That's because we tried recording previously. Essentially, we pulled a Pokemon Scarlet, and
Again.
something happened. I don't remember exactly what it was, but we lost the footage, and we got our progress on Silent Hill.
And it go kaboom, and then we sad, and then here we are.
All you missed is that we found the 3 keys, and we entered the school, and that was it.
Pretty much.
Pretty
much.
Yeah, we didn't miss much, so
What?
we'll be okay.
It's getting dark again. What's going on? What's going on here? Get the things.
Give me the things.
Get the things. Go. Other thing.
Yeah, the website that
Yeah.
told me 10 free recording softwares, you can go fuck yourself because only one of them was actually free.
Yay! I love it here. You and I have to buy things after they said it was free.
Uh-huh.
It's just the best. Is this the right way? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Friend.
Hello.
Get friend.
Hey, look, it's like the thumbnail. Oh, God, that's not the thumbnail.
Friends. Friend.
Friend.
Oh my god, you consider them friends now?
I'll take any friend at this point.
Yay! Friend.
Where am I going? I'm going to the school.
Yeah.
Where's the school? Oh, I'm almost there. Okay.
The squirrel.
Oh, God.
Friend. See, he didn't attack. He's friend.
That's because I ran away from him.
See? See his friend.
Meow.
His friend. He just wants to say hi. But friend. Nice tree.
That's a tree. And maybe we might get a Silent Hill 2 copy soon?
Who knows?
Maybe?
If the one on eBay is still there, then
We'll
yes.
see. Maybe that'll be good. Then we can finally play that again.
I was gonna say, should we finish this up and then do 2?
Well, because 2 doesn't really lead into 1 at all.
You're right. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
I forgot.
So it's kind of, I more or less wanted to do it because Silent Hill 2 Remake was announced. And I want to play that before, like, we're playing, oh shit. Like, we're playing Resident Evil 4 right now before the remake.
Yeah. Where is Escuela?
I don't know.
Escuela.
Oh, hello.
Just go forward and then turn. And then here.
I want to set the bushes on fire. Hey, bud.
Why
Hold
did
on.
you immediately want to commit arson?
Don't worry about it.
I'm not worried.
Okay.
Friends.
Oh, they're both alive. Hold on. Hold on there. There we go. There's one.
You got this. There you go. Old Yeller.
Old Yeller. I don't think it
Old
ended
Yeller.
like that, but... Well, it did, but
Yeah.
not with
Yeah.
devil hounds.
No, it was like that.
It was
That's
a devil
how I
hound?
remember it. Yep.
Huh.
They should make a horror movie out of Old Yeller. That'd be kind of cool.
Old Yeller, Blood and Honey.
Yeah.
I heard that movie was terrible.
Really?
It's a Winnie the Pooh horror movie.
You right.
Of course it's terrible. Fuck, I didn't pay attention. Written
You
Blood.
don't even know these puzzles, don't you?
No, I don't. Place with songs and sound, a silver guidepost is untapped and lost tongues awakening at the ordained order. I don't know what the fuck that means. I just know 12 o'clock. So it's gonna be some kind of time puzzle. Written Blood, 10 o'clock, alchemy laboratory, gold in an old man's palm. The future hidden in his fist, exchange for sage's water.
Wah.
Okay. Making mental note. I need a notebook over here, along with this
So true.
the setup. Written in blood. 5 o'clock, darkness that brings a choking heat. Flames render the silence, awakening the hungry beast. Open time's door to beckon prey. Open.
That's a whole lot of words that I don't understand.
Me too. I just looked at the times. I'm assuming it's going to be a time puzzle.
That would be my guess.
Harry, please.
Harry Styles.
Harry Mason.
I'm Harry Styles.
Harry Mason.
Harry Styles.
Harry Mason.
I'm Harry Styles.
I'm so hungry right now. I'm gonna get some food after this. That sounds good.
You should probably do that. Food is a good thing.
This is very
occasionally.
true. Okay, that's locked.
No shit.
Let me turn around, please. Oh yeah, I can turn the light
turns off light.
Fuck,
yeah,
that's
good.
great. Yeah, that's awesome.
The little babies are gonna chew on your ankles.
If I can find where they are.
Do you want to find them?
If I want to progress through the game. Is that it? That's where it was?
Yeah.
Or no, did I go through there?
That's the one we came in through, I'm pretty sure. So that
oh yeah, I don't have a map. Okay, fuck that. Okay.
Pretty sure, yeah.
Here we go.
Children.
These bitches can go fuck themselves.
There you go.
Remember the music plays for no reason. And it always scares the shit out of me. Yep.
Little friend.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
What's up, buddy?
Dead? Dead. They're still writhing. What do they have in their hands?
I'm assuming like scissors or knives. It's a.
I'll take your guess.
I was gonna say.
It's like literally 2 pixels.
I was gonna say I don't know if I can detail this.
My first thought was a 9.
Which is why they should remake this game instead of 2.
Oh my god.
They should do all of them or remake the first
3.
Maybe the 4th, depending on if it's good or not. When we get to it, after we play 3. Okay.
Ooh. A place.
Oh, I unlocked the main door. Okay.
Oh.
I need to. Was there a map in here? I feel like there's a map in here.
That's what
No, there wasn't. Unless it's over here. Map? No, no map. Unless it's at front.
About,
no
I was
idea.
gonna say. Right there? Or is that just a pamphlet? Oh.
More Ronaldo.
Teachers.
Gordon. Okay.
Well, you're trying to helpful. Oh, wait, go back? Looked like it was on that, like, that? No, that is.
I think that's just like a exit thing.
Where is?
1 second. And we're back.
Oh my god.
Let's try here.
I was gonna say, what are we even... Those are kids, right?
Yes.
Nerds.
Because it's an elementary school.
Nerds.
Okay. It's kind of like Resident Evil 1, where it's just like, oh, wander around the mansion until you find what you're supposed to do.
Okay.
Except I know the puzzle, because the first puzzle in this game is fucking infamous for being so stupid.
That's the clock one, right?
Not the clock one.
Oh.
It's a puzzle where we turn on water to get a key, but it keeps falling in this hole, so we put a fucking rubber ball in the hole.
Okay.
Yeah, just a random ass rubber ball. Nobody knows where it came from. What we do, but
rubber ball.
Rubber ball.
Rubber ball. Rubber ball. Oh my god, upstairs. OMG. Friend. Oh.
Hey, bud, that's a little close. That's a little close. Hey, hold on there. Hold on there, bud.
I'm going for your cock.
Hold on there, bud. You're a representation of a child. I think. I don't know what you are. Get off of me.
I don't think that's much of a child anymore. So why is that thing taking so much? God damn.
How's my... Yeah, that's some quick ass heartbeats. I'm assuming that means I'm almost fucking dead. So, wait. Nope, not gonna pause.
It has fucking shoes on.
Yep.
I just realized they have little tiny shoes.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna assume I'm okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh.
One thing I also don't like that really unnerves me. Get
Those
this
are
fuck.
knives. Yeah, they have knives. Is?
The posters on the wall in some of these rooms.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Get the...
Nice.
Fucking you... Okay. I said the controls are better than Resident Evil.
Uh-huh.
I may have lied.
You don't say.
Yeah, it's just like a tiny dagger.
Little noise. Do you know what room the rubber ball is supposed to be in?
Vanny.
Oh my god. My favorite.
I do not.
Damn.
I'm truthfully just looking around aimlessly.
Okay.
Until I find
Because I know it's gonna be like a fucking tiny 2-pixel thing that we'll barely be able to see.
Oh yeah. Especially for PS1.
Mm-hmm. And then we'll be wandering around for 3
I was
years.
just in there, right? That's the bathroom. Maybe?
Yes.
Totally.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go over here. Past there, this door. Unless I was already here. Which I was. I think.
I was gonna say, most of these classrooms look fucking identical, so... I don't know.
Rumblies.
Friend?
Oh, yeah.
No, not friend.
Maybe?
No. Also, can you pick up those jars that were on the shelf over there?
These?
No. Oh. Oh, that one.
Chemical. Yeah, I hate it when it does this.
There's 2 other things on the other side. Glucose.
Glucose. Harry, please.
Restores.
Restores.
Those little bottles. They look shiny-ish.
Distilled water.
Okay.
No reason to take it.
Never mind.
Okay. I'm assuming that's all I needed.
Yeah. From here, anyways.
From here, yeah.
Friend?
Yeah, that's terrifying. James,
Yeah.
please. Not James. Fucking Harry. Please lock on.
Restores.
Okay. Okay.
Slay.
I wish I found a map of this place. That would be nice.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll find one soon.
Probably not.
Fingers crossed. Jesus fucking. Oh my god, okay.
I saw him and I was waiting for your reaction.
That shit. Okay.
It sounds like a fucking dog.
It does, and I hate it a lot. This is what that's why this fucking part of the school really scares the shit out of me.
The dog children?
Well, because when I first encountered that, when I
I'm sure
ended up pirating this game,
yourself.
And played it, I was like, oh, it's the first fucking Silent Hill game.
It can't be that bad.
Yeah, and then it was fucking terrifying, and I couldn't bring myself to play. Hello.
Uh-oh.
I literally couldn't bring myself to play any more of this part of the game.
Nice. So you don't know what's past the...
Nothing. I know nothing past the school.
Slay.
So I got to the end of the puzzle. I beat the puzzle. I looked at my friend. Fuck this. And then it was over.
All right.
I haven't played it since. And then it's
bullet.
Ooh, and then it's come to a conclusion where we found this at a retro game store.
And now it's ours.
Now it's ours.
Wolf. Wolf.
Wolf.
Wolf.
Arr. Hey, bud. Let's slow your roll there.
Little baby.
Oh, what's up, bud?
Little baby.
Yep, now I'm hurting. I'm hurting, yeah. Speaking of Resident Evil, I would like to play that at some point.
Which
Maybe.
one?
Well, we didn't do Jill's version of 1.
Right.
And we didn't play the original 2. Fuck you. Because, okay. He literally just like, because I thought,
kick that one.
I looked like around this place, and it was near the opening, and I couldn't see anything, and I saw a little thing dash out in the corner. I was like, what the fuck is that? And I looked, and nothing was there. And then I looked again, and I saw a little baby crawling, and then I screamed and closed the game. Hey, bud. Damn, that's so loud of you.
I'm so glad this game has like an auto...
Me too,
like
auto aim. Oh my god.
Good fucking lord.
Yeah, there would be no way.
Be so bad without... Also, I think... God, all of this is
new.
The fucking same.
Piano.
Oh, piano. Is there a piano puzzle?
Okay. Hello.
Portugal?
It's written in blood.
Of course it is.
Tale of birds without a voice. First flew the greedy pelican. Eager for the reward. White wings flailing. Not falling.
Then came the silent dove, flying beyond the pelican as far as he could. The raven flies in, flying higher than the dove, just to show that he can. Swan glides in to find the perfect spot, next to another bird. Finally, out comes the crow, and comes quickly to a stop, yawning and then napping. Oh, show the way. Oh, be the key. Oh, lead the silver reward. I don't fucking know. They're birds. Caw, caw.
I thought I could play that.
Yeah, that's
Maybe
what I
not.
would figure. Maybe there's some way to unlock it, or open it, or...
It said it didn't look locked. Yeah, doesn't look locked, though.
Maybe we need, like, a crowbar?
Maybe.
That'd be my first thought. Okay.
Anything in these lockers?
No. It doesn't seem like the lockers are of any use.
Damn. Were we already in there? I'm going to assume not. No, we weren't.
No?
Oh, I do remember this part. This part fucking scared the shit out of me.
Child? Kitty! Just a cat.
Just a cat.
The cat opened and closed the door? Oh, the cat is dead. I was like, damn, cat has opposable thumbs?
I was like, you don't say.
Mm.
I was literally just like, oh, fucking... I know what the crazy ass...
You bitch, you killed the cat. Fuck you.
Fuck
What?
you. Because I'm pretty sure it was in 2, right? Where they get the really freaky, like, sped up movements. And their heads go like... Blah.
Oh, the, like, things crawling around?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Fuck those things. Because I didn't realize that it was only in the second game that they kind of arrived. Because I haven't seen any yet in this game.
Yeah, no. I think it's just, they just kind of wiggle.
Yeah, but it's terrifying. Harry, please. Harry. There you go. Okay.
You look like me the first time I played Resident Evil. Just going bonk, bonk, bonk.
Wesker.
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 Wesker. Wesker.
Fuck, that was so funny. I have a chemical. I don't know where to bring it.
Just a singular chemical.
I have a chemical.
A chemical.
I don't know where to bring it. Is there another staircase I can go up? Because this is the Dead by Daylight map.
Is it?
It is. This is Midwich Elementary.
Oh my god.
Fuck Dead by Daylight.
But Huntress.
Not even Huntress can save that
What?
dog shit pile of a game.
Okay, just imagine she's not from Dead by Daylight.
Then she's perfect.
Okay.
Huntress on her own is perfect.
I was gonna say she's
I think
woman.
I think everybody can agree.
She's about the only like
Who's in here? Who's in here? Who's in here, you little cocksucker?
I'm assuming in there.
Oh, what the
Yeah. Beep, beep.
Hey. Fall over, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, Huntress is like the only like sort of interesting
Even in lore?
main character. I honestly don't know her lore.
I don't know any of the lore.
I know,
just know
one of
that
the guys
Leon
is like
Kennedy was in it.
was like a dead guy, and then he came back, and then now he's angry.
So Jason.
Pretty much, honestly. But I don't know Huntress's lore. She's just pretty, and
Female
I like
Jason.
her. No.
Maybe it's meant to be like Wrong Turn.
What do you mean long term?
You know, there was like no Wrong Turn.
Oh, wrong.
Like, you know that the horror series that has like 7 installments. And it's all about like those fucking. Oh, we're some fucking hillbilly cannibal people up in the mountains. I think Dead Meat did a video on it.
Maybe you were just in here.
Oh, fuck, you're right. God forbid I'm actually in this situation, because I'm not surviving.
Nope. It's fine. I wouldn't either.
I'd do my best, though. I'd survive Resident Evil.
Well, that's because you know it like the back of your hand.
Exactly.
But imagine it's a Resident Evil that's...
New?
Yeah. Not... Like, you're not in one of the games.
With my prior knowledge, I think I could get through it. Fuck, we're right over here. If only I had a fucking map!
What?
Okay.
What if, you're against, what's his name?
Wesker?
No.
Birkin?
No.
Nemesis?
Yes.
Okay.
Him.
I don't... Which Nemesis we talking? We talking original or the remake? If it's the remake, I'm kicking the shit out of him. Because that bitch is a fucking punching bag.
I guess original then.
Okay. I don't know how I'd fare. I can run, but I don't know if I can run that fast.
Yeah.
It'd be very iffy. I may not survive Resident Evil 3. Oh, here we go. There's another staircase.
There's stair.
You think you would survive Resident Evil 3? Never mind. It's locked.
No. I mean, I may act like I'm smart, but I fucking no. I can barely fucking feed myself, let alone, you know, survive in a zombie apocalypse.
Well, then you can give yourself herb.
Yeah, but
You can talk to Carlos.
I wouldn't know what herb is good herb. I'd look at a
green-
fucking patch of grass and be like, is herb?
Oh, I feel healthy.
And then I fucking die.
Is that lettuce?
Lettuce. Yummy. Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
The endless hallways. I hate.
Fruit salad.
Okay.
Yummy, yummy. Fruit salad.
Why are you making
Yummy,
me yawn?
yummy. Nerd.
Okay.
Skill issue. There's something on the thingy there.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was this room, and I walked in, and I just saw it, and I went, oh! That scared the shit out of me.
They fucking sound like dogs, and I can't unhear
They
it.
do. Can I shoot him? I can probably shoot him.
No, I wouldn't.
I want to shoot the baby.
Shoot the baby!
I want to shoot the baby.
Shoot the baby! No. Well then. Where the fuck else do we go?
Do you think you would survive Silent Hill?
No. I don't think I'd survive, like, any horror thing. Because I wouldn't take anything seriously, and then something would just kill me, and then I'd be dead. I'd be like, oh, wow, that's funny. Dies.
Oh, hey, big guy.
Yep. Or I'd just be like, oh, I can change you, and then squish.
Stomp.
Yep. And then I'd be dead.
Stored. Save! Oh my god.
Oh my god. Infirmary. Why is it? Oh, I guess this is the infirmary. I was like, why is this called the infirmary? This is a skull. I don't feel firm here. Wait a minute.
You want to say that again?
I'd take that back.
I was gonna say.
Well, I mean, it's a good thing that I don't feel firm.
Yeah.
So, that's not that bad. But it's bad. Wait, go... Oh.
Oh, wait, what?
I was gonna say, go in there. In there? Or is that where we started?
That's where we started.
So we just made a big loop.
Yeah.
Shit.
Where do I put
Do you
these?
want me to look up a map?
I think I...
Or you got this?
Maybe? Okay. Found in the lab equipment room. Concentrated hydrochloric acid. Where do I need acid at?
Fucking... I don't know.
Okay.
I would assume to acidify something.
Melt.
Acidify.
Okay. There's got to be fucking something in here. That's unlocked. Is that it? Is there just an enemy in here? And that was it? Okay.
Well, didn't you say that like a key or something was in the sink?
No, it's on the roof.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why is there a sink on the roof?
I don't fucking know. I think it's like a water drain or something.
Okay. Wow. Washker.
If we did start Resident Evil, I would start with Jill's in Resident Evil 1, or I would get the original Resident Evil 1. Because we have the GameCube version.
The quote-unquote remaster?
The remake, yeah.
Remaster, remake, fucking... Same thing. Kind of.
No!
It is now. Biatch.
Well, a remake means like built back up from the ground up.
Yeah.
Like the Resident Evil 2 remake.
But
a remaster would be like.
But
what?
But hear me out. It's the same thing.
But it's not though.
But hear me out. It's the same thing.
What is a remaster? Is just like Skyrim on everything past the Xbox 360 and PS3. It would look better. It would play better. But it wouldn't
be better.
Well, no, because it would just be a slight like alteration. What am I like? What's an example you would know that's not Kirby?
I don't know. Nothing. I only know Kirby.
Only Kirby.
Only Kirby. That is the only thing I have on my
Metroid Prime. Oh, that's a bad example.
Okay.
Because they I can guarantee you they just remade it all with a different engine. Because it's too good looking to not be remade with a different engine. I keep going in the same rooms and I'm pissed off. Okay. Clam down, buddy.
You got this. I believe in you.
Maybe a map would be appreciated.
What?
Maybe at least a map.
I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map.
Unless I'm an idiot. Wait, I know where the map is. Hold on.
I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map.
Where's the original area? Was it here?
I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map.
There's an area. I don't know if it's near like the opening of the school or if it's.
Yeah.
Is that outside?
Because I like kind of remember that it was on a wall.
There it is. Okay.
Oh my god. That's lovely.
That's so helpful. Okay. Second floor. This is great. Okay. Piano. Lab equipment room. The chemistry lab. Lab reserve. Third floor. That's just the roof. Okay.
The roof. Well,
Wonderful. So at least we have this now.
So where go now? Where we go now? Do we need to go roof or is roof locked?
Roof is locked.
Damn it. Then how get the roof?
Okay, those are just the bathrooms.
Bathroom.
Unless there's two bathrooms. What if I go in this one?
That's the boys' one that we were just in.
I knew that. Maybe.
Sure. I don't believe you.
My sense of direction is perfect.
I'm sure that's locked. Or not. Never mind.
It's just the same fucking...
Except there's no urinals.
Oh.
I know. It's crazy. It makes so much difference.
Mm-hmm.
Wheel.
Pour chemical on piano? I wouldn't put it past the game.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, we can try.
Classrooms.
Error.
Looks like we're gonna have to try next time.
Oh my god.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back for Silent Hill 1.
Yeah.
While we struggle to find another copy for Silent Hill 2.
Woo! As we always do with anything on this goddamn channel.
Yeah, we struggle.
That is our motto.
It is. We struggle, but we okay.
But we fine.
We fine.
For the most part.
We jank. We struggle. We live.
We jank.
We jank. We struggle.
Die.
Goodbye.